Welcome. Today's video will walk you through how to turn off photo tag notifications on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the latest web update on your PC. If you've been getting constant alerts every time someone tags you in a photo, this simple guide will help you silence them in just a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personal settings. Once you're on your main page, look to the menu on the left side of your screen. Find and click on the option labeled Notifications. This is where all your alert settings are managed. When the notifications page opens, you'll see a gear icon or a settings option near the top or sidebar. Click on it. This will bring up a list of customization options that control how and when you receive notifications on X. Next, look for the section called Preferences. Click on it, and within Preferences, you'll find another tab called Push Notifications. This area lets you manage what types of alerts get sent to your device when you're active online. Now, scroll through the different options until you see one labeled Photo Tags, under the category titled Related to You and Your Posts. By default, this option is usually checked, meaning X will notify you every time someone tags you in a photo. To disable this, simply uncheck the box next to Photo Tags. Once you uncheck it, your settings will automatically update. That's it. You've successfully turned off photo tag notifications on X using the web version on your PC. From now on, you won't receive alerts when someone tags you in a photo, but you'll still be tagged. Normally, people just won't fill your notification feed every time they upload a picture with your name attached. It's a small adjustment that can make your browsing experience quieter and more focused. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and recheck the box. Thanks for watching.